like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel TV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make pizza rakhi. So let's get started. So first we will take a piece of a cardboard and a tissue paper and fold it in half. Now wrap the cardboard into this tissue paper. Now cut the excess part. And fold it. Now let's stick with sellotape. And cut the excess sellotape. Now take one more piece of tissue paper and fold it in half. And roll it. Now twist it to make the crust. Now let's stick the crust. Now cut the excess part. Now let's take a piece of a paper and keep our pizza slice. Here I have color palette. So here I have taken red color, off-white and yellow color. So let's paint it. So here I have some paper pieces for toppings. So let's take this. Now let's keep it for drying. And the pizza slice is almost ready. You have ribbon. So let's stick the slice on the ribbon. And the pizza rakhi is ready.
Friends, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.